no, that's not good. I love this family.
And I love the beach!
Don't forget the snacks, honey.
Snacks are in the cooler. We've got sandwiches, fruit, and juice boxes. All right, everyone, beach day is here!
I've got my sand bucket and shovel. And I packed the sunscreen and towels. I want to build the biggest sandcastle ever. I want to find seashells and maybe see a dolphin.
Then let's hit the road. It's a beautiful day.
Wait, what's that sound?
What sound?
That thumping noise. It's getting louder.
Oh no, that's not good.
What's wrong, Dad?
I think we have a flat tire.
A flat tire? Like a balloon that popped?
Kinda like that, buddy, but worse.
Pull over, honey. Let's take a look.
You're right, let's see the damage.
That tire looks really flat. It's completely squished.
I have no idea how to change a tire.
Wait, you don't know how to change a tire?
I've never had to do it before. I always called a tow truck.
Well, there's no tow truck here. We're going to have to do this ourselves.
But I don't even know where the spare tire is.
It's in the trunk, under the carpet. I'll show you. There you go, good as new. I know exactly how to handle this.
Wow, I'm really impressed. Where did you learn that? Where did you learn to do that?
I watched a video tutorial. It is actually pretty easy.
Okay, boss, what do I do first? What do I do first?
First, we put the car in park and set the parking brake.
Done.
Now, we get the spare tire and the jack from the trunk. Yes, right there. Now pump the handle.
It's going up! The car is lifting!
Whoa! The car is floating. That's so cool.
I did it! The spare is on. I am so impressed. You're amazing.
I told you, it's not that hard.
We made it! The beach is here!
I can see the water. It's so blue, and the sand looks so soft. I want to run in it.
Let's find a good spot to set up.
Right over there, under that big umbrella.
I'm gonna build the best sandcastle ever, and I'm gonna find the prettiest seashells.
I'll get the towels and snacks ready.
And I'll set up the chairs.
Look at the waves. They're so big. I want to go in the water.
Not yet, Lily. Let's put on sunscreen first.
And don't forget your hats!
Can I dig a moat around my castle?
Of course, buddy. A castle needs a moat.
I found a perfect shell. It's pink and white.
That's beautiful, sweetie.
Look at my sandcastle. It has a tower and a flag.
That's amazing, Max. I'm proud of you.
I want to help build the castle too. Okay, you can build the bridge. I love this beach. It's the best day ever.
I'm so glad we made it, even with the flat tire.
We learned something today, didn't we?
We learned that Mom is super strong. And that we can fix anything if we work together.
And that a little problem doesn't have to ruin a big adventure.
This is what family is all about.
Can we have a picnic now? I'm hungry.
Good idea. Let's eat.
I love this day.
I love this family.
And I love the beach.
Best day ever!